Hello viewers, some people complained about auto update of software in their mobile, which results no space in their mobile. So today I am going to share with you 3 methods through which we can stop auto update of software. Now the first method is started. So let's go and first click Play Store and then click the icon or your ID and then settings. Network preference, open it and then we will stop updating the auto update. Or now auto update apps, click it. Don't auto update, tick mark inside it and click OK. Now your mobile will not do the auto updation. This is the first method. Now let's go for the second method. Now let's go open settings and click search. Write in search bar auto update. Now Galaxy Store settings or auto update apps, click on it. Auto update apps, we will open it and auto update apps using Wi-Fi only, click it and click inside never. It's done. Now let's go for the third method. So we will simply go once again to settings of our mobile and then in settings scroll it down to the end. Software update is available, click it. Auto download over Wi-Fi, off this button. And auto updation of software is stopped. Now your mobile will keep free space all the time. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.